Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can block direct messages from others on Discord. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Discord app in your device, then tap on settings icon, next tap on privacy and safety. Then you can see the option of direct messages from others. Tap on it. Next you can see the option of block. Tap on it. So this is how you can block direct messages from others on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.